If you are filling up your gas tank or buying light bulbs today without using the Discover ITR card, you are literally burning 5% of your cash. That is $75 in free money you might miss this quarter. Let's fix that right now. This is not an exaggeration. It is a straightforward calculation based on the rewards you could be earning. Every time you swipe a card that only gives you 1% back on these purchases, you are leaving 4% on the table. Over 3 months, that forgotten percentage adds up to a significant amount that should be in your bank account, not the credit card companies. The opportunity is real and available to anyone who holds the right card and knows how to use it effectively. The second quarter, April 1st to June 30th, is a unique window to maximize your earnings. Discover historically features gas stations, electric vehicle, EV charging stations, and home improvement stores as its 5% cashback categories. The official announcement for 2026 is anticipated around March 1st, but the pattern is reliable for early planning. Prepare now so you can act immediately once categories are confirmed and not miss a single day of bonus earnings. The power of the Discover ITR card lies in its rotating 5% cashback categories, which change every 3 months. For the second quarter of 2026, we are focusing on the widely anticipated categories of gas stations, EV charging stations, and home improvement stores. As the weather warms up, people tend to drive more, embarking on road trips, or simply enjoying more outdoor activities. This naturally leads to increased spending at the pump, making the gas station category easy to leverage without changing habits. The inclusion of EV charging reflects the growing number of electric vehicles on the road and ensures EV drivers benefit too. Whether you are filling up with gasoline or charging with electricity, your transportation costs can earn you top-tier 5% back. It's a rate most other cards cannot match on these expenses. Home improvement stores are the third pillar of this powerful second quarter lineup. Mulch for the garden, a new set of tools, a gallon of paint, even a major appliance. These purchases can all qualify for the 5% bonus. The Home Depot, Lowe's, and other local hardware suppliers typically fall into this category. This effectively reduces the overall cost of your home upgrades. While these categories are based on strong historical patterns, Discover will make its official announcement closer to the start of the quarter. You should always verify the categories in your Discover account once they are released. Foresight is key to start earning from day one and maximize the full 90-day window. No last-minute scrambling, just a smooth, planned approach. Core idea: use your Discover ITR card for specific everyday purchases and get a substantial rebate. We'll break down how this works. Spending caps to activation requirements. Let's break down the numbers so you can see exactly where the $75 comes from. The Discover ITR card's quarterly promotion offers 5% cash back on up to $1,500 in designated bonus categories. 5% of $1,500 equals $75. That's the max per quarter from bonus categories. Spending beyond the cap still earns cash back, but at the card's standard 1% rate. So the goal is to spend as close to $1,500 as possible this quarter. For example, $300 a month on gas equals $900 for the quarter. A $600 weekend DIY project gets you to $1,500. Use your Discover card for those purchases and lock in a $75 reward. Visualize a simple progress bar. Each gas fill-up or DIY purchase fills it. A $50 fuel purchase moves you to $50. A $200 trip to Lowe's moves you to $250. Goal: fill the bar to $1,500 before the quarter ends on June 30th. Track in the Discover app or keep a note on your phone, whatever keeps you motivated. It's a quarterly limit, not monthly, so you have 3 months, April, May, and June. This gives you flexibility. A large April home improvement expense or slow weekly gas fill-ups. Align the bonus with your actual spending patterns. Large, infrequent purchases or small, regular ones. Your target is simple. Channel $1,500 of planned spending through the right merchants with your Discover card. It's one of the easiest ways to get extra cash from your regular budget. Keep an eye on your progress so you maximize the quarter. Up next, How new users can double that to $150. For those who are new to the Discover Eatwork card, there is an exceptionally powerful feature, the Cashback Match program. Here is how it works. At the end of your first 12 months with the card, Discover will automatically match all of the cash back you have earned throughout that entire year, dollar for dollar. There is no limit to the amount of cash back they will match. This effectively doubles every single reward you earn during your first year. Reaching the $1,500 spending threshold in 3 months might sound daunting, but with a little planning, it is more achievable than you think. Be intentional from day one. Identify predictable expenses that fit the bonus categories. For most people, start with gasoline. $75 per week is about $300 per month, $900 for the quarter. That alone covers more than half the requirement. Then list home and garden purchases you already plan. Paint, brushes, tape, a lawnmower, patio furniture. Those larger purchases add up quickly, while small trips for light bulbs, air filters, and cleaning supplies bridge the gap. Don't forget the EV charging category if it applies. These smaller charges add up over time. Combine weekly EV charging with fuel for another household car to cover all family transportation. Finally, keep a running tally, the most important part of the strategy. Log each qualifying purchase. For example, April 5th, gas, $60, total, $60. April 12th, Home Depot, $140, total, $200. Tracking keeps you from stopping short and tells you when you've hit the cap so you can switch cards if needed. We upload new money hacks every Thursday. Subscribe so you don't miss the next travel loop. If regular gas and DIY won't get you there, use the gift card hack to extend 5% to other retailers. Be disciplined. Only buy what you will use and keep receipts until balances are verified. Executed properly, it ensures you hit the $1,500 cap. Let's dive into the method. Home improvement stores like the Home Depot and Lowe's sell third-party gift cards. Restaurants, streaming, rideshare, major online retailers like Amazon. When you buy those gift cards there, the purchase codes as home improvement. Example, buy a $200 Amazon gift card at Lowe's. You earn 5% back from Discover. You just extended 5% to future Amazon spending. Brilliant for filling the cap if gas and DIY don't get you there. Pre-purchase for your favorite coffee shop, pizza place, or Netflix subscription. First, only buy gift cards you will absolutely use. An unused gift card is a 100% loss. Second, know store policies and limits. Check with customer service for large purchases. Finally, stay organized. Keep receipts, store cards safely, and track balances. Executed correctly, this applies 5% across more of your budget, helping you hit the cap and maximize the year. There is one simple step every Discover It cardholder must take to earn their 5% bonus. You must activate the new categories each quarter. If you do not activate, you will only earn the standard 1%, even at qualifying merchants. Discover activation is not retroactive. If the quarter starts April 1st, but you activate April 20th, purchases from April 1st through 19th only earn 1%. Set a recurring reminder for the first day of each quarter and activate as early as possible. Don't rely on email. Be proactive. Chase Freedom Flex often applies 5% retroactively if you activate before the deadline, but you cannot assume that policy across cards. With Discover, your bonus starts the moment you click Activate and not a day before. Know this rule, respect it, and activate early every single quarter. Earning the cash back is only half the battle. Knowing how to redeem for maximum value is just as important. Direct cash or statement credit both give 1 cent per point. $75 equals $75 cash. Sometimes redeeming for gift cards returns more. Example, redeem $20 for a $25 card, a 25% bonus. The right deal can make $75 worth over $90. Always compare. If a reputable reseller sells a $25 card for $20, cashing out then buying may beat a weaker portal bonus. Choose based on your goals. Prioritize liquidity and simplicity with cash, or take a useful gift card bonus to boost value. Be aware of all options in the Discover portal and evaluate what's most practical before you redeem your hard-earned cash back. Activate Q2 as soon as available. Set an April 1st reminder. Use Discover for every purchase at gas stations, EV charging stations, and home improvement stores. Track your running total toward $1,500. Use the gift card hack if you're short. Only buy what you will use. New cardholders. Remember, Cashback Match doubles your earnings. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Make decisions based on your own situation and research.